Hello once again to another Emergent Games Tech Blind Adventure update. This is the prototype version 0.6 and I'm ready to do some more testing this week. So what have I done? I've done a lot of meta sound stuff. The first thing I said was that I wanted to create footsteps to infer movement. So what I've ended up doing is I've created an array of footstep sounds. Randomized is the sound that it plays, and it doesn't repeat the last one, so you don't get any of the same sound playing twice in a row. And then very simply, it just plays it as a mono sound. Mono meaning that it merges the two audio tracks into both of your headphone ears, so you can hear this universally as long as you're moving. We can actually delete that. Now, why am I specifying what mono is? Well, because the heartbeat is not mono. The heartbeat uses stereo audio, so the output of the sound is split into the left ear and the right ear. Now this is where my problem was for a majority of this weekend, because the sound effect, regardless of if it was set up like this and only outputting in the left ear, would play in both headphones. And after quite a lot of digging, I found out that this was not a problem with my blueprint or my Metasound or Unreal at all, but it was a Windows problem. And to fix it, you need to go into your Windows ease of access audio settings and disable mono sounds, because that will merge both of those, both of your ears, I suppose, into one. So now that that's sorted, as you can see in this meta sound, quite simply, they're both set up the same. Um, they both have the same wave asset, being the heartbeat that I've made, but this one inputs or outputs to the right, and this one to the left. So let's have a look in game.
Front courtyard.
The combat music,
North open.
well, we'll talk about that first actually. The room descriptions are extremely short now. That one quite literally just said north open, because all of these are disabled, so you can only go north.
Center.
Here is
North locked. West open.
just the center, not court gate apparently. Um, I imagine I might have deleted part of the room name on accident, perhaps. I can't imagine any other reason why that would happen. So when we go in here, you should see, or should hear, the combat music, and hopefully it's not too loud. Let's clear this up real quick. These enemies tend to spawn quite slow, but that is something I can edit for each room. I think this one is set to 10.
West gate tower.
Oh, there we go.
Found key east open.
Found key east opened. So
Center.
we can leave. That one still doesn't read correctly, but we can go back up. So that's basically how it works.
North locked. East open.
North locked, east opened. So yeah, if an enemy is to your left, it will play the heartbeat in the left ear, and the same for the right ear. Some improvements need to be made. The volume of the heartbeat could be a lot louder. That should be really easy to do. I imagine I could honestly just plus float to audio, say like 5. Save that. That's way too much. Let's go with 1. And again, that is clearly not the way to do it. Instead, likely do it in the blueprint somewhere. Yeah, volume multiplier. Yeah, this is the way to go. But that's all that. Like I said, this is ready for testing again now, which I will get done before Wednesday, ideally. but this is 0.6, and I want to see if anyone can get to the end of this prototype this week, which nobody has done so far. Fingers crossed. Thank you for watching.